Jakarta is sinking by an average of 1 to 15 centimeters per year, and nearly half of the city is currently below sea level. If the current trend continues, about one-third of the megacity could be entirely submerged by 2050. Jakarta, the capital city of Indonesia, is one of the fastest sinking cities in the world. The city sits on swampy land and has 13 rivers running through it, so it's not surprising that flooding is frequent. However, the rate at which Jakarta is sinking has increased dramatically in recent years. North Jakarta has sunk 2.5 meters in 10 years and is continuing to sink by as much as 25 centimeters per year in some parts, which is more than double the global average for coastal megacities. So why is this massive city disappearing into the ground? The major cause of the city's sinking is a lack of sufficient water for the majority of the population. The city does not lack fresh water since it receives 300 days of rain per year. The problem is, Jakarta's wetlands have been converted into a concrete jungle, and people are forced to draw water from aquifers as piped water is unreliable, irregular, and expensive. The pumps go deep into the earth to draw water from aquifers, which are subsurface rock strata that retain groundwater. Excess groundwater use leads the ground above it to fall, resulting in land subsidence, a phenomenon in which rock and silt pile up on top of one another. The longer water is extracted, the more it diminishes, compacting and collapsing the soil and sinking the earth above it. Another factor contributing to Jakarta's sinking problem is climate change. Torrential rain over the city has become more common, causing an increase in severe floods. Added to that, heavy rain in higher terrain nearby flows down into Jakarta, flooding the city's canals and waterways. Rising sea levels threaten the city, particularly during high tide. The situation is further worsened by illegal construction and poor urban planning. Jakarta's sinking is a complex problem that requires a comprehensive approach to address. While the government has implemented various measures, there is still much work to be done to prevent Jakarta from sinking further.